How to join someone on Roblox without being friend with them. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can join someone on Roblox without being friend with them. So you can simply open Roblox in your PC or your Android device as well. By going on the Google Play Store, on the top search bar you can simply search for Roblox and then you can simply install and play your Roblox account. But you want to play it with someone that you are not friend with, and you must need to follow the steps. The steps are: search for the user's username or go to the profile page. If you know their profile page, then you can simply go there. If not, then you need to know their username. After typing the username, you will be able to see it. And now if that user is currently in an experience and is allowing people to follow them, a join experience option will appear on the search results or the profile page. So if this does so, then you can simply click join experience and then you will be able to placed into the experience with them and you can simply play with them. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.